they look good, huh? Okay, now here's where here's where I started. I'll have to just grind that down. Don't judge me on that one. But on this side, good. Bam. That is cool. All right, so we got up and down and left and right. We have two parts here that are pretty much the same height. A little off, maybe a 16th or 32nd. It'll be fine. This thing ain't going to space. So, oh, careful. So they'll be mounted like that. Oh, that's gonna be cool. Look at that. I made that. It is 10:45 and it's a school night, kids, so I'm gonna pick this up tomorrow. Hello and welcome to the day 2 of this build. Hold on here. This is kind of tippy. All right, so I have this handle, and then I bought this throttle online. It's pretty cheap. I made a linkage setup for on the top. Then I have a kill switch that I'll be able to hook to my wrist in case one of my welds breaks or something. Like this guy down here. Oh, dang it. Oh, I should show you guys how easy this motor starts. So it has not been running at all today. So I'll touch it. Nope, not hot. Tether's on. All right, check it out. It's gonna start. I guarantee you it'll start first pull. Oh, it's gonna be sick. All right, let's get this thing mounted up and then we'll be able to go test it today. Or maybe tomorrow, I don't know. Depending on how fast I get this done. I went to my local street department and I got a fence post, or a signpost, rather. So then I'll have my bearings, which are these guys. I'll have 4 bearings all the way down. 4 at the end, and then out the back will be the prop. And then I'll weld like this plate or something for a fin, but I'll cut it all cool, so it's not gonna be just a dumb square. Oh hey, didn't see you there. Monumental moment. I'm gonna test it for the first time just with my drill. Hey, we're gonna be cruising. Ooh, that's hot. All right. Phase 1 complete. We have the motor, which is mounted over there, all like pretty much ready to go. This is all ready to go. Now it's time to mate them together. I don't know how we're gonna do that yet. show you guys how I got this up here. I just have a string tied to the ceiling here. And I'm trying to mount it. The first time. Alright. So it's mounted. Kind of. Here's where we're at. We got this guy mounted all the way down. I got supports here, supports down here. Those are still hot. Just finished making these mounts. So without further ado, let's try it out.
Yeah, I told you. Pretty sure it's running the right way. So online, I bought a tester to see how this prop is operating right now. So It was like $500, but this, no, not that. Oh, here it is. Here's our prop tester. This will show us if it's moving. It's the finished product. Worked on it pretty late last night, and here is where it all ended up. Right now we're gonna go test it for the very first time. I'm kind of scared, but I think it'll be all right. Hello and welcome.
What? Welcome to another Lost Hour Productions video. Today, today we're testing. We're gonna go duck hunting. So this is the night before, like always. You know, we do a little film here.
Grab the guns. Grab the guns.
Pheasants. No, we gotta do it.
Hurry up.
No, we have to do it. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. I'm just gonna lift it all by myself because I'm super strong. Okay. Nate's gonna help. So you just lift the whole thing. Oh, it's not so bad. If you drop it. Oh, you can't laugh because you can't. Shit. This has got to be spun around.
Yeah, I hit it with my wiener.
Don't scratch some paint. Oh my.
Hey, you got a kill switch. Look at that.
Okay, this time. We're moving.
See how good it goes through like weeds and stuff.
Digging through the mud. Oh, get here.
We're really shallow right now.
Taking her home? Yep. Gonna run right into the dock. The gallery! We made it! Sweet ground!
Sweet. Nice, Joe. That works really nice.
What are your first impressions? That's
I think
it.
it's awesome. If it was on like a little boat like that little John boat, I
Holy
think you'd get like up on plane.
You probably, it moves this, you were plowing water and it,
Yeah.
I don't think it slowed it down.
Just saying.
All right, well,
That is super cool,
That's a
Joe.
good start.
I am totally impressed.
I guess.
That's sweet.